hỏi cái em mới thật nhớ là em đã sao thấy ngồi chung.
Oh shoot, let's go, let's go. I'm wearing my meta glasses. Dạ rồi. How do we feel going here, back here? Hay. Nani does. You có cái sensor mà ba lúc để. Okay.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.
Cô ba nhớ cái bánh mì không cô ba? Cắn 5 cái là xong, con cắn hết rồi.
Ở này cắn 3 cái rồi tới cô ba.
Okay guys, you gotta try the bread. It's worse than the one
ones in Tina.
Wow. A shout out to Tony, Tina, and probably Ryan. I don't know about him. But
It tastes just like bread.
wait, let me try.
Like, the Tina salt bread tastes like more like salt bread.
I never liked bread in the first place. Okay, rate it.
6.
Well, I rate this a 2. Moving on to the second bread. Okay.
Like the first few layers.
You cannot be a content creator, bro. For food, especially. God dang. Ew. It's like damp. Like it's sweaty.
Brother,
It's sweaty.
It's like a 5.
I'll say this is like a 4. Guys, she's about to go to the Olympics. Oh shit! I got my... Okay guys, take like what, 10? Okay guys, you want to feel like a figure skater? This is how you feel when you spin. Hold this. Okay guys, last double axle. Oh no, not axle, girl. A double sow cow. Oh my. Oh. Hey guys, she's trying to do a flying catch spin.